How to lose weight fast, naturally and permanently is one of the most Googled phrases. And you're probably wondering, is this even possible? Well, never say never, but what I can tell you is that I, in 21 years as a weight management psychologist, have never seen somebody be able to lose weight fast, lose weight naturally, and keep their weight off. So you have a choice. You can either click off this video now and go and find a video with somebody that's going to tell you the lies you want to hear, or you can stick with me for the next few minutes and I'm going to explain why fast, naturally and permanently don't work in losing weight long term and help you understand what you can do differently to achieve your long-term weight loss goals. The reason they don't go together is that to lose weight fast requires a totally different approach than to lose weight naturally and permanently. Now I'm going to use the famous Aesop's fable, Hare and Tortoise, to explain how this works. So let's imagine both the hare and the tortoise, they're not having a running race this time, they're having a competition to see who can lose weight in the long term in a natural way. So the hare likes to do things fast, is an expert at doing things fast, so they approach this as quickly as they possibly can. They put themselves in a big calorie deficit, they're very rigid with their diet rules, they don't allow themselves any snacks or any treats at all. They take up a gym regime where they're going 5 times a week without doubt. Now they're doing really well with this, so 3 weeks in, hare's finding that the weight's all dropping off, it's working well. But the downside is, hare is feeling miserable. Hare is feeling burnt out. Hare needs to take a break. And that little thought creeps in, just one of those chocolate bars won't matter. So hare has a chocolate bar, and hare finds the floodgates open. And before they know it, they're thinking, oh, I might as well give up now, I'll start again on Monday. So hare goes back to square one, and when Monday comes, hare starts that rigid diet approach. 3 weeks later, same thing happens. 6 months later, hare has lost weight 4 times, but has each time regained all that weight. Meanwhile, the tortoise is taking a slow, gradual approach to weight loss. So they start making some small changes. Perhaps the first week, they introduce a regular eating pattern. The second week, they layer on top of that. They start supplementing some snacks with, perhaps instead of the ultra-processed snacks they've been having, they start having some healthier, some nuts and some fruits, some protein-based options. In the third week, they start thinking about their activity and introducing a bit more walking. And then they stick with that. And they just keep doing that same thing throughout. So after 3 weeks, they haven't even lost any weight, really. After 6 weeks, they start losing a little bit of weight. And after 6 months, they've lost even more weight. So like in that famous Aesop's fable, the tortoise won the competition. They've lost their weight, and in a way that they can sustain. So tell me, are you the hare or are you the tortoise? Perhaps you're trying to be the tortoise, but something keeps throwing you off. Leave a comment, tell me about it. If there's a video I can make to help you get over that hurdle, let me know. And if you've always been the hare, but actually you're finding now you want to move towards a tortoise mentality, you want to learn how to do things in a way where you really can keep your weight loss off. This is a huge mindset shift, which is why I've created the 6-step mindset shift workbook. Now you can download this for free, and I've taken off any requirements that you added to my email list to do that. So go to the link in the description if you think that this will help you. So the message is, sustainable weight loss is a marathon. It's not a sprint. You've likely been in that sprint yo-yo dieting that I demonstrated with the hare your entire life. But the reality is, if you want to lose weight naturally, if you want to lose weight permanently, you're going to have to let go of the desire to lose weight fast. There will be creators out there who are lying to you about this, who are selling the best quick fix weight loss approaches that will also help you in the long term. But I want you to have hope here. It really is possible to change. and it is possible to lose some weight and keep it off in the long run. The tortoise probably loses less weight than the hare at 3 weeks, but at 6 months, it's definitely the tortoise who has lost the most weight. So if you want to learn more about this approach, you might enjoy my video about how to lose weight healthily and sustainably.